Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the Google Competition Finder Scrap Engine into RDDZ Scraper. First of all, let me explain you what this Scrap Engine will do. It will return the number of results for each keyword I will enter into custom one field on google.com. Let's do it. So for the example, I will choose the keyword core, plain, SEO, Bitcoin, keyboard. I click on the scrap button and waiting for the results. So as you can see, I have half the number of results on the google.com index for each keyword I have entered in the scrap custom one field. That's all for this video. See you soon for another one. Bye bye.